Good morning and happy Monday, 8th graders. Today you are going to be watching one episode of Human Planet. Unless you stay logged on with the class, you can watch a few more, but I found one on YouTube that I'm going to attach to your lesson. You need to watch it and then fill out this sheet with the 5 themes of geography. If you're able to view it and fill it out at the same time, that might be easiest. But again, I think you would need multiple sources, or at least 2, to do that. All right, so we're going to kind of recap. This is a project, so I want to make sure that you are as accurate and descriptive as you can be, because this is going to be the first thing in your project category. All right, so the first item is going to be the region. All right, Human Planet is divided by regions. So for the region, you can put a couple of things. You can put Indonesia, you can put volcanoes, or you can put mountains. In Human Planet, this episode is going to be within the mountain region, okay? But again, there's a few things that you can put. Location. At about 59 seconds into this video, they are going to give you in the bottom middle an exact location. This is what I want you to use. Even if you have to write sideways, that's completely fine too. But they give you the name of the volcano, where it's located, and latitude and longitude in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So for location, that is what I want you to put down. Now, the next ones: place, movement, human environment interaction. See how many things you can write down. So place, what makes this place unique? And there's a lot of unique things that you are going to see in this place. Movement, you will see people moving around, so that is one thing that I want you to write down. So movement, there might not be too many things, but also write down things that, I guess, I'm trying to think if I see a car in this video or not, but if you do, you could write it down. All right, then HEI, human environment interaction. So what are the humans doing? How are the humans interacting with their environment? I want you to be specific, all right? Not so much on the cameramen, but the men that are working, okay? How are they interacting with their environment? Let me know if you have any questions. And the next time we watch Human Planet, though, I'll make sure that it is a day, so you guys will be able to see it in class. I'm going to see if some of you want to stay zoomed in and how well this works, but at this point, I'm not sure right now. So I wanted to make sure and have a backup plan for those of you that are at home. Enjoy this. It's pretty eye-opening, and email me if you have any questions. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.